Dear students, in the last session, we learned about the algebraic identities and factorization of the polynomials. In today's session, we see some more identities, that is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Then x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. By using the algebraic identities, let us try to solve some of the examples. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Given that x plus y plus z is equal to 0, so we are transposing z to the RHS. Then x plus y is equal to minus z. Then cubing on both sides, x plus y whole cube is equal to minus z cube. That is, now I am writing the expansion form of x plus y whole cube. This is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to minus z cube. Now, I am substituting the value of x plus y. Here x plus y is equal to minus z. This value I am substituting here. Then I substitute x plus y is equal to minus z. Then its value will be x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y means it is minus z is equal to minus z cube. So it's then it is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into minus z is minus 3xyz is equal to minus z cube. Now here, this minus z cube I am transposing to LHS, and this 3xyz I am transposing to RHS. Okay? Then what will happen? This minus zx cube, when it is transposed to LHS, it will become positive. And in the same way, minus 3xyz will become plus. Then it is x cube plus y cube minus z cube will become plus z cube is equal to minus 3xyz become plus 3xyz. Okay? Now, it is proved x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So it is proved, hence proved. Okay? Let us consider another example by using the algebraic identities. If 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, then show that a is equal to b. So given that 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Now we are expanding into a square plus 2b square is equal to a plus b whole square. We are using the identity, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This a square and b square we are transposing to LHS. Transpose a square plus b square to LHS, then it is 2a square plus 2b square plus a square will become minus a square, and plus b square will become minus b square is equal to 2ab. So plus 2a square minus a square, it is a square, plus 2b square minus b square, it is plus b square is equal to 2ab. Now we are transposing 2ab to LHS. Transpose 2ab to LHS. Then it will become minus a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 0. We know that a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to, its value is equal to a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to 0. Square root on both sides. A minus b whole square, its square root is a minus b is equal to 0. When a minus b is 0, then transposing b to RHS, because minus b, when it is transposed to RHS, it will become plus b. Therefore, a is equal to b. So what we have to, we will show that a is equal to b. So it is proved, hence proved. I think you have understood my lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, all my future videos will be notified to you. Thank you.